Hello friends, this video is continuation of input types, begins with checkbox. Checkboxes are nothing but options. You can choose either 0 or more. See how to use checkbox and remaining types in this video. After password, create checkbox. Input type. In place of type, write checkbox. See, checkbox is created. Name is vehicle. In the place of value, write ID. This is ID is bike. See, this checkbox didn't say anything. Make it say with label. This is for bike. See, bike is there. Then create one more checkbox. Name is vehicle. Place of value, write ID. This is value is car. Create label for this checkbox. Label. This is for car. Bike and car is there. What is the question for bike and car? Here is a question with the label. This is for choosing vehicle. And which vehicle you have. Which vehicle you have. You can choose. If you have bike, choose bike. If you have car, choose car. If you have nothing, then choose none of them. Then next one is, this is the way of using checkboxes. Then next, there is file. See, this file you can choose any type of file, but in this HTML, this file choosing for profile picture purpose. How to choose the picture with this file. So after the car, create input type. In the place of text, write the file. See, choose file button is created. When you're clicking this choose file, you get to access the files which are in your system. Name is for pic. This is for picture. See this picture. Place of value, write ID. This is for picture. Which picture you want to upload? Here is a label will say. This is for picture. Choose your picture. See this. You can choose your picture with this choose file button. The next one is date. You can use date for many purposes, but in this file we are choosing this date for date of birth. how to create date of birth. Here is first input file. In the place of text, write date. Say this. This form is created. You can choose your date of birth easily with this form, with this date option. Name is birth date. The place of value, write ID. This is also birth date. But this didn't saying anything about which date. Make it with label. Label. This is for birth date. So this label says date of birth. You can choose your date of birth with this file. Then last one is reset. Reset is used for after filling some details wrongly, or you want to refresh everything with the default values. Then you can choose the reset to remove everything. See, okay. Then first create the reset. After submit, here is the input. In the place of text, write reset. In the name, write ID. This is reset and the value is reset. Reset button is created. Then check it with some values. Here is some values are there. Then you want to remove everyone. It takes so much of time by one. Instead of that, just click in reset. Then everyone is removed and the form is comes to the default values. This is the some important input types in HTML. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.